What is the fourth dimension? If you've ever heard someone say, "We live in a three-dimensional world," you're not wrong. But you're not entirely right either. Let's start with physics. Here, the fourth dimension isn't some magical place, but time itself. Thanks to Einstein, we now understand that space and time are woven together into a single, four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. Think of it like this. To locate an event in the universe, you need four numbers, three for where and one for when, X, Y, Z, T. Gravity in this view is just the warping of spacetime by mass and energy. That's why GPS satellites have to account for time running differently in orbit than it does on Earth. Time, our fourth dimension, doesn't tick the same everywhere. But in mathematics, the fourth dimension is something else entirely. Imagine adding a brand new direction, let's call it W, that's perfectly perpendicular to the X, Y, and Z we know. We can't see it, but math lets us play with it anyway. Picture a 2D being, a flatlander, living on a sheet of paper. Flatlanders can't see up or down, they only know left, right, and forward, back. Now imagine we're the flatlanders, and the fourth dimension is our up, a direction we can't sense but can describe. Mathematicians have even dreamed up 4D shapes. Like the Tesseract, the four-dimensional cousin of the cube. If a cube unfolds into 6 squares, a tesseract unfolds into 8 cubes. Wild, right? Or the hypersphere, a 4D version of a ball. Why can't our brains picture this? Simple answer, evolution didn't bother. We evolved to dodge saber-toothed tigers, not to imagine a W-axis. So how do we get a glimpse? Through projections. Just like MRIs show 2D slices of your 3D body, we can model 3D shadows of 4D objects, shapes that morph in weird ways as they pass through our world. Now, theoretical physics goes even further. String theory suggests there might be 10 or 11 dimensions, with the extras curled up so tiny we'll never see them. Crazy, but the math works. Some philosophers ask, what if our universe is just a 3D shadow of a 4D reality? Or what if a 4D being could reach into a sealed box and pluck out your keys, without ever opening it? Mind blown. Here's what matters. In our universe, the fourth dimension is time, and it explains gravity, black holes, and the entire cosmos. But as a mathematical idea, the fourth dimension is a playground for imagination. A tool for new tech like MRI scans, AI, and wild computer graphics. Einstein put it best. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. So next time you check the time, remember, you're navigating the fourth dimension.